Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
If I eat breakfast, I feel good. If I eat breakfast tomorrow, I will feel good. If I ate breakfast, I would feel good. If I had eaten breakfast, I would have felt good. If it rains, the ground gets wet. If it rains tomorrow, we will stay home. If it rained, we would stay home. If it had rained, we would have stayed home. If I study hard, I learn a lot. If I study hard, I will pass the test. If I studied hard, I would pass the test. If I had studied hard, I would have passed the test. If I see my friend, I talk to her. If I see my friend tomorrow, I will talk to her. If I saw my friend, I would talk to her. If I had seen my friend, I would have talked to her. If I go to the party, I have fun. If I go to the party, I will have fun. If I went to the party, I would have fun. If I had gone to the party, I would have had fun. If the bus comes, we go to school. If the bus comes soon, we will be on time. If the bus came, we would go to school. If the bus had come, we would have gone to school. If you help me, the work is easy. If you help me, I will finish on time. If you helped me, I would finish faster. If you had helped me, I would have finished faster. If we take an umbrella, we stay dry. If we take an umbrella, we will stay dry. If we took an umbrella, we would stay dry. If we had taken an umbrella, we would have stayed dry. If I drink coffee, I feel awake. If I drink coffee tomorrow, I will feel awake. If I drank coffee, I would feel awake. If I had drunk coffee, I would have felt awake. If he runs every day, he stays healthy. If he runs tomorrow, he will stay healthy. If he ran every day, he would stay healthy. If he had run every day, he would have stayed healthy. If she cooks dinner, everyone eats well. If she cooks dinner tonight, everyone will eat well. If she cooked dinner, everyone would eat well. If she had cooked dinner, everyone would have eaten well. If we play football, we get tired. If we play football tomorrow, we will get tired. If we played football, we would get tired. If we had played football, we would have got tired. If I read books, I learn new things. If I read a book tonight, I will learn something new. If I read books, I would be smarter. If I had read books, I would have known more. If she studies English, she improves. If she studies English, she will improve fast. If she studied English, she would improve fast. If she had studied English, she would have improved fast. If we leave early, we arrive on time. If we leave early tomorrow, we will arrive on time. If we left early, we would arrive on time. If we had left early, we would have arrived on time. If I exercise, I feel strong. If I exercise tomorrow, I will feel strong. If I exercised, I would feel strong. If I had exercised, I would have felt strong. If they study math, they understand it. If they study math, they will understand it. If they studied math, they would understand it. If they had studied math, they would have understood it. If he watches TV, he relaxes. If he watches TV tonight, he will relax. If he watched TV, he would relax. If he had watched TV, he would have relaxed. If we clean the house, it looks nice. If we clean the house today, it will look nice. If we cleaned the house, it would look nice. If we had cleaned the house, it would have looked nice. If I sleep early, I feel fresh. If I sleep early tonight, I will feel fresh. If I slept early, I would feel fresh. If I had slept early, I would have felt fresh.